Do you love coffee? Whether you're an avid coffee drinker or an occasional sipper, adding healthy ingredients to your cup can give you a much-needed nutritional boost. Plenty of delicious additions from spices to superfoods to plant-based milk can give your coffee a health kick. Let's look at some of the best and most effective options. Coconut oil or butter. Adding coconut oil or butter to your coffee can give it a creamy texture while boosting healthy fats. Coconut oil is rich in healthy fats such as medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can help promote weight loss, increase energy levels, and improve brain function. Adding a tablespoon or two to your cup of morning joe can give you just the right amount of fat to keep you fueled throughout the day. Organic milk alternatives. Add organic milk alternatives such as almond or oat milk to your coffee if you want something creamier than coconut oil or butter. Not only are these options dairy-free and lactose-free, but they are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as calcium, iron, potassium, B vitamins, and vitamin E. They taste great when added to coffee for an extra creamy texture. Cinnamon. Add a dash of cinnamon to your coffee for a delicious flavor boost and a good dose of antioxidants. Cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation. Plus, cinnamon may also help control blood sugar levels. Superfoods. If you want to make your morning pick-me-up superpowered, add some superfoods. One excellent option is maca powder, which contains plenty of vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, vitamin B6, riboflavin, B2, thiamine, B1, and niacin, B3. Other superfoods include chia seeds or flax seeds, which provide fiber and omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health. Natural sweeteners. If you're looking for something sweet without all the effects of white sugar, try adding natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Both options are rich in antioxidants and have antibacterial properties, which can help improve your overall health. These natural sweeteners have a unique flavor that works well with coffee. Making healthier additions to your morning cup may seem daunting initially, however, plenty of easy swaps will make your coffee even better. The possibilities are endless, from coconut oil or butter for an extra boost of healthy fats to organic milk alternatives for an added layer of creaminess. Please visit wehealthyliving.com and mothernaturehealthcoaching.com.